I was a chef for 20 years, owned my own restaurant. My normal work week was about 70 hours a week.
I just graduated with a degree in physics. I wasn't excited to go into a physics career, but with Topstep, I'm able to pursue my dream of being a full-time trader and do something that actually excites me, that I'm actually passionate about.
Never got to see my wife and 2 kids. With Topstep, I'm allowed to break free of that career and stay at home as a full-time trader and watch my 5- and 7-year-old grow up.
Changed the game for me because I didn't have a lot of money to start.
I now know when to quit. I know when to take profits.
Learning to trade every single day teaches you a lot. It might take you a long time, like it took me, but eventually you'll get it, and by the time you get funded, you'll be a much better trader than when you started.
Topstep has changed my life incredibly.
It's been amazing for the quality of my family and the quality of my life.
Prove that you can be a good trader. If you can pass this program, then you deserve to trade and you don't have to lose your own money.
If you can learn these markets while risking somebody else's capital, it's going to be one of the most fulfilling accomplishments that you've done in your professional career.